Hi friends, welcome back to the Checkout Guy YouTube channel. So many Shopify stores you might have seen this badges like this in the checkout page, like these small icons or messages that appear near the checkout area. So in this video, I will show you how you can add similar trust badge sections to your Shopify store. Just a quick note, this type of checkout customization is available only for the Shopify Play stores. So before going to the video, please make sure that you have subscribed to our channel for more Shopify tips. For setting this up, I'm using Checkout Ninja app, which is available from the Shopify App Store. I have also attached the link to this app in the description box. You can check it out. After installing the app, open the app from the Shopify admin panel and go for the Create Advanced block. I have already created some trust badge block here. I will explain how I have configured this. For you to set up for the first time, you have to click on the Create Checkout block button from here and choose the block as the trust badge. So I'm just clicking on trust badge block. So first thing you have to give is the title. Like you can just give any proper block detail or a title so you can identify it easily from your list of blocks. And if you have any block visibility conditions, just enable it and add the visibility conditions over here. Here in this drop down, there are multiple cases or conditions which we have, but you can just select any of these. So the main purpose is that this block will be available only when the given condition is met. So for now, I'm just unchecking this, and I'm not planning to give any conditional visibility settings over my trust badge block. So you have to click on add block from here, and you can just go for the trust badge as the block. For I will show you how I have configured the trust badge block over here. So first you can just give the title text. So the title text of your list of badges you can just give here, and you can just give some style present on in advanced also. You can just give the size, style, color and all. There are multiple choices over here. You can just go with that. And you can also set the title alignment for your main title. It should be left, center or right. And you can just give the badge title. So your badge title, I have given first the badge title as the secure payment, and the style present preset is heading, and I have given some advanced options as the style is bold and size is base, and I can just give some color for that, and you can just see a preview of the given details from this text area. So next you can just give the badge description. So you can just enter the description for this title secure payment. I have given your payment information is protected with industry standard SSL encryption as my description, and you can just go with the style, present, size, color, and you can just ensure the preview of the given details. And you can also have some icon type, so it should be a preset one, or you can just customize it. So if you are going with the preset, this will be giving you a list of inbuilt icons which is available within this app. Otherwise you can just customize as you wish, and you can also set up the icon size over here. The standard will be small, which will be compatible with our checkout page. So now I have given another badge title, which is like the EC 30-day return. So similar way you can, I have given 3 here. Similar way you can just give as many as you want by clicking on this add new items. So I have given 3, and make sure that the status is active and just save it. Now you can just copy this block ID from here and open the checkout editor. So it will be opening a checkout page where you have to implement your custom block. So just click on this custom block and you can just add it to the checkout. Now you can see a block ID field here. You have to paste the block ID which you have copied earlier. So since I have already made one, I'm not planning to give much more. I just show you how you can configure this block in your checkout. So you can see that the replica of the same has been created here over this. And I'm not planning to give this here. So I'm just deleting it. And in app section, you can see that the custom block which we have created here in the order summary. If you need to move or replace this to anywhere else, you can just drag it to somewhere else in any other sections. Since the app area for this to be in the order summary, I'm placing it over here. And after adding all the details, you can just save it. So we can test this in our online store. So this is my store. I'm clicking on checkout. You can see that the 3 trust badges we have given with the icon and description has shown in the checkout page. So that's how you can configure a checkout page customization for the trust badges in your Shopify store. Please note that this will be available only for the Shopify Plus members. So while you're waiting for, just grab the link from the description box and try this out in your online store. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and also do like, share and comment. Thanks for watching.